Your Wi-Fi says connected, but Google's Chrome says that no internet with this exact error code ERR proxy connection failed message. Welcome back to TechMesh. Today I am going to show you the exact steps to fix your proxy settings and get your internet working again in less than 2 minutes. So let's jump in. So as you can see that I am trying to browse, but my internet is not working. It is saying no internet, but in my other devices the internet is working perfectly fine, and it is showing this specific error code. And I have already showed you. I will again show you that you can see that it is saying that my Wi-Fi is connected, and I have checked with my other devices and my internet is perfectly fine. So I will show you 3 methods on how to fix this specific problem. So the quickest way to fix this is directly through your Windows 11 settings. So first right click on the start button, and then here click on network connection. And in your network connection you should search for proxy. So here you can see at the right side we have found this proxy option. So we would go to this proxy option. So just click here, and under the proxy option here you should find an option called manual proxy setup. So here you can see at the bottom manual proxy setup. So click on the setup icon under manual proxy setup to use a proxy server, and here make sure that the switch is toggled off, and if it was toggled on before, make sure to toggle it off and then save it. And also you need to make sure in the proxy settings that it is selected to automatically detect settings. So this toggle should be turned on, the automatically detect settings. So if it is already turned on, then you do not need to do anything here. So this was the first step. After trying it out, then check if your internet is working again or not. And if the first method didn't work for you, then let's move on with the next step. So first keep pressing on Windows and R on your keyboard, and it would open the run window, and here you should type this command. All right, inetcpl.cpl. So it would open the internet properties. So here click to connection, and under the connection tab here, from here click on LAN settings, and here use a proxy server. Make sure that it is unchecked and tick mark the automatically detect settings. So if the proxy servers were selected here, make sure to uncheck it and tick mark the automatically detect settings, and then click on OK, and then hit apply and OK. So this was the second step, and let's check that if this method worked for us or not. So let me now try to browse the internet again. So here you can see this was the error code. So now here you can see that my problem is fixed. But for some cases, if your problem is still persists, let's move on with our method 3. So first let me show you that if my internet is working perfectly or not. So here you can see that I am browsing like different kinds of website, and the internet is now working perfectly fine. So if the problem still persists, let's move on with our final step, which is to network reset or flush the DNS. So if your proxy is disabled but your internet is still acting up, this is the ultimate failsafe. So for that, search for CMD in the start option, and then here click on run as administrator. So make sure to run the command prompt as administrator, and in this window type the following command. Exactly I am typing ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then hit enter. All the commands that used in this video would be available in the description. Make sure to copy and paste it. And then here I again need to type another command, which is netsh winshock space reset. So let me just type it and now hit enter. Okay. So this should definitely solve your problems, but you must restart in order to complete the reset. So try to restart your computer after each and every step that I have shown in this video. So that's it. If this fixed your proxy error, drop a like and let me know down in the comment section below, and subscribe for more fast tech fixes. I will see you in the next one.